is for apple, A is for apple, A is for apple, sweet and ripe. B is for ball, B is for ball, B is for ball, bouncing high. C is for cat, C is for cat, C is for cat, soft and shy. D is for dog, D is for dog, D is for dog, running by. E is for elephant, E is for elephant, E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, F is for fish, F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat, G is for goat, G is for goat, hopping all day. H is for hat, H is for hat, H is for hat, hip hooray. I is for ice cream, I is for ice cream, I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for juice, J is for juice, J is for juice, tasty treat. K is for kite, K is for kite, K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, L is for lion, L is for lion, roaring by. M is for moon, M is for moon, M is for moon, shining bright. N is for nest, N is for nest, N is for nest, warm at night. O is for orange, O is for orange, O is for orange, round and fun. P is for penguin, P is for penguin, P is for penguin, on the run. Q is for queen, Q is for queen, Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rabbit, R is for rabbit, R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, S is for sun, S is for sun, shining bright. T is for train, T is for train, T is for train, moving right. U is for umbrella, U is for umbrella, U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, V is for violin, V is for violin with pretty strains. W is for whale, W is for whale, W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, X is for xylophone, X is for xylophone, playing tunes too. Y is for yak, Y is for yak, I is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra, striped for all. Now we've sung from A to Z. Clap your hands and sing with me. Apples, balls, and lions too. Learning letters just for you. Now we've sung from A to Z.